Ladies and gentlemen!
What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jana, and welcome back to my channel. Now, I'm getting some really good questions from our community, and I started a video the other day talking about what type of content to create when you're not working. And that was a question that Ryan hit me up on Instagram asking for some guidance, for some coaching, and just for some ideas. So I dripped 5 different kind of very, what I would say, easy to kind of target areas of content creation when you're not working. I wanted to provide a follow-up video with a little bit more deeper. Sometimes a little bit more thought will be needed for some of these videos. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 additional places that you can kind of target creating content for when you're not working. And I think this is a valuable installment of videos on this channel because so many people struggle with content creation and knowing what to post and how to post it. And I have a whole series coming on this very, very soon. So just be on the lookout. And if you're new to the channel, I would invite you to subscribe to this video, subscribe to this channel, support me and this channel because I'm dripping a ton of content here as I grow this community for my goal, which is 10K plus, and I want to get there sooner than later. So your help goes a long way. And if you have questions that you want me to address, business, performance, sales, marketing, whatever, I'd love to hear from you. Just hit me up on Instagram. I will do my part to answer whatever I can, possibly even in video form right here on the channel so you can benefit from it and you can help some others that probably are struggling with the same thing. But Ryan hit me up with this question. I put a video together right over here, installment 1 of what to create when you're not working at events. And Ryan has a window of time from his last event after completing his first wedding season. Cheers, bravo, awesome. To his next wedding, which is like a couple months out, and he didn't know what to post. So I offered a couple different topic areas of things to consider when you don't have events, things that can be engaging and helpful to not only help you grow your social media, but to help others and hopefully stimulate conversation or interest into the service that you offer as a DJ. Now I've got some more follow-ups that I wanted to drip out here at the same time. And if you haven't seen that other video, I'm going to post it at the end of this video just so you get some ideas and all that kind of stuff, but we're not there yet. So let's talk about 5 other areas that you can create content when you are not working with events. 5 different areas. First and foremost, your why. Tell your story, why you do what you do, why this industry gives you energy, what motivates you about this industry. Talk about the why you do what you do. Focus in on your story, your history, why you've decided to engage in this. Are you someone that likes to talk with other people? Do you enjoy playing music for others? Were you a DJ in college or in the club world and now you're transitioning to the next phase of your life? Whatever that is, think through your story and start to share it in a series on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, or here on YouTube. I think creating content is so powerful. And your why is the thing that's going to make you very much you and not like someone else, because everyone has a story, but everyone's story is a little bit different. It's amazing how you can build community amongst colleagues, people that you may be connected to in the industry because you share some similarities. At the same time, you might even be relatable to someone that is planning their wedding, and that might get your phone to ring once they hear your story and they love the energy and the passion that you have for everything. So your why is number 1. Number 2 is your process. Talk about your process. Talk about the inner workings of what it's like when someone works with you. Do you just meet with them one time and show up at the wedding? Do you talk with them a number of times? Do you get together in person? What does the process look like and feel like for someone that is trusting you with the biggest and most expensive and probably the most incredible celebration that they're ever going to plan for themselves in their life? Talk about your process. That's number 2. Number 3, talk about what you offer. Talk about all the things that you bring to the table. And if you don't offer a ton of services, break them apart. You don't have to talk about everything in one little post, but break things apart. If you have different DJ booths, different setups, you want to maybe focus in on your gear, focus in on services. Hey, we do Dancing on the Clouds. We do monograms. These are the top 5 monograms that I used last year that I absolutely love. And show what it is that you do. Pictures, video, and your storytelling can leave a compelling message that a lot of people could benefit from and connect to. And that's the point of this topic area. Number 4 is your favorites. I'm doing this whole little series about my favorite venues. Talk about your favorite professionals. Talk about your favorite photographer. Talk about your favorite weddings and why. Your favorite songs to drop. Your favorite anything. You write the descriptive or the thing in after your favorite and make a post about it. I think these topic areas are super, super powerful. My favorite style of music is pop punk from the 2000s. You wouldn't believe how many people love that. I love my favorite song to sing in the shower is Backstreet Boys, whatever. I'm not saying that's mine, but people can connect to that as long as you're being authentic. So Think about the things that you absolutely love. Think about the things that you really enjoyed doing as a DJ and share it on social media. Super powerful, and this can help you grow. Number 5 is sharing the love and spreading the love amongst your community. If you have friends in the business, especially in other areas of the business outside of the entertainment field specifically, why don't you show some love and feature them? Tell their story. If you love working with a specific photographer or work with someone like a photographer all the time, share some images, share some social media information, explain why you enjoy working with that person or that entity or that company, and share some content. I think spreading the love amongst others is a great way to almost cross-pollinate with business and with so much more. People love when vendors work well together. People love people that know each other, and they feel safety and comfort in that. And that will influence buying patterns. So the point of this, share love amongst people in the industry that you often work with or want to work with or just have great experiences with. Be authentic, be real, and spread the love and spread the community out amongst other people in your market. These tips will help you grow your social media, and I have a ton of information on social media. If you want to check out another video that I think you will find incredibly helpful, right here is a video. Stomp on that video, check it out. And before you dip out of this video, make sure you leave me a little thumbs up and offer a comment down below. If you have a question that you want to ask me, if you have a question that you want to pose to me, be sure to do it on my Instagram at JasonJanai. Check out this video. I'm sure you're going to love it. Thanks.